Hi. I'm
Okay, start
sorry.
now.
Hi. So we just got in a big box of felted sky, and if you are not sure what that is, we are about to introduce you to it. So I'm here with Abby and Carla, and we're gonna unbox this
Yeah.
ship.
So
Okay.
Abby and I are watching with all of you.
Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna turn my camera around,
Uh-huh.
and here we go. Okay. So here's our box, felted sky. Look at their tape.
They have nice tape. Did they draw on that box?
No, so the box that had the drawing on it was from Knitting Fever,
Oh, okay. All right.
which I thought was, I've never seen them do that before.
That was cute.
It was cute. Okay. Um, so let's see. We got Felter's fabric,
Oh, that's linen fabric, so you can needle felt pictures to it,
mhm, like painting,
like
but
landscapes and stuff. Yeah.
with wool.
Yeah.
And then here, I think I can open this so you can see. Okay, so these are pumpkin stems.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, those are cool. You can make those yourself, but it's easier if you just get one of those, you can just stick it on there when you're making your
Yeah.
felted pumpkins.
And you can make the stem as long as you want. So we got a couple of those. And then we got acorn caps so we can make felted acorns.
Yeah, you just make little felted balls and then you glue them on there and you got little felted acorns.
Okay. And then we've got the felter's palette. Now these are textured batting.
Yes. Yeah. So this is felted
Oh, we've
wool.
got actually there's some of both in here.
Yeah. They have two different kinds of felting wool.
Okay, so this one is the textured one. Oh, look, it tells you what kind of blend it is. That's nice.
Yeah.
I love these. I love the textured ones because they've got little bits of like it's visually blended.
Yes. Yeah. They're like little bats. They're really nice.
And then this one is a Felter's palette. It's like your little paints, but they're
Exactly. That's what it is. It's like they're your
your
needle felting
your
crayons.
your tubes of paint.
Yeah.
So this one is US wool.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's carded.
Yeah. So it's a carded bat and it's not, yeah. Yeah. They're,
Okay, so this one is another fleece. It's the same.
yeah. Basically, I was stocking up on on the pumpkin
The
and
fall
Halloween.
colors.
Fall colors, yeah. Thanksgiving fall colors.
This is a good orange.
Yeah, that's pumpkin kind of orange.
Hmm. This one's pumpkin pie.
That is the color of pumpkin pie.
It is, yeah. And this one's a log cabin. So here's the
Okay.
difference between the two.
Yeah, so you can get so you can blend and get lots of shades of for needle felting pumpkins because we're going to have a needle
A
felting.
pumpkin party.
Exactly.
Okay. And we have one of the kits and I'll show it off in a minute. So then this is also more of the fleece. This one's called Mesa, but it just looks like fall leaves.
That's such a great color.
When we got our first shipment in, somebody bought all of it right away.
Yes. So actually, I called dibs on one of those.
Okay. But look at that. Look at those colors.
I know. I love them. They're like perfect fall colors.
It's perfect fall
Oh, you could
colors.
make beautiful leaves, like autumn leaves. They're
Yes.
just like the
Yeah.
color
It's
of autumn leaves.
exactly. Yeah, exactly.
There's actually a beautiful needle felting kit for autumn leaves. I'm
And
not
I
sure
bet
if,
that color is in it.
yep.
And then these are the wool mats. So instead of the foam, the artificial foam, these are made of wool.
They're made of wool. Yeah, they're felted wool and they are
Felted wool.
so nice. Really, really nice.
We've got two different sizes. The mini. Do they make a one bigger than this
Yeah,
too?
they make a bigger one. Yeah, that's the mini, the teeny
And then
tiny one, which you can also
this is
use to make pictures.
this is a micro.
The
Oh, so like,
micro, the mini, and then there's a bigger one too.
okay.
Those feel so nice, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
I wish people
Like
could feel them in the.
felted pillows.
Yes, exactly.
Um, Pre-felt.
Yeah, so this one is so this is a big piece of felt that you can use to make a landscape or something. The other one is made of linen, so this one is just a big piece of pre-felt to be a canvas for needle felting on.
Yeah, so then we have two different sizes of the felter's fabric too.
Yeah, so if you want to make something really big.
This one, this is 36 by 30. That's
That's a
pretty good
big piece.
size.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the little one, where did it go?
Oh, that's yeah, the little itty bitty
Yeah.
one.
Oh, I can't get it. Okay. Good grief. The little one is 12 by 12.
And what you do with those is you put those on embroidery hoops to stretch it out,
Yeah.
and so that's how you work with it. But you still need a mat behind it so you don't poke your fingers.
Oh, geez. Don't poke your fingers. It hurts. I've done
Yeah.
it. So we do have the big
Oh yeah,
ones.
those are the
No,
big mats.
I
So
didn't
that's
know
like
the
a
big
really
ones.
big mat. Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't say, but it's about 12 by 12 too.
Yeah, it's a nice size. So I
Oh,
just love all of their stuff. It is just
it's
it's
very
such
well put
good
together.
quality. Yeah.
Yeah. So here's the leaves and acorns. So you can
Yeah, so
buy
that kit will
multiple.
have that one has pieces of felt in it, the colored felt and that's cut and then you
You
yeah, open
felt
it
like,
up.
yeah.
Yeah. So you cut your pieces of felt and then you needle felt the other colors on top of it to make the leaves to decorate the leaves.
And you get, looks like 5 acorn caps.
Yeah. And so then you also make little acorn balls out of the wool and um yeah.
And the templates for the leaves are in here.
Oh, okay.
That's good. And then your
Yeah.
needles.
Yeah. I just love their kits. They're so nicely
You
made.
get
Crafted.
two felting needles, and it looks like they're the same.
Yeah. We do
Whoa.
have packets of their needle felting needles too. Um we've got some that have like they're combination packs where they've got all the different kinds in them.
I thought they were all the two that we have, I think, are
Oh yeah, I
combination.
think that's what I only ordered the combination pack.
Okay.
That's right.
So
Yeah.
the ones that come in there are specific for your kit. I
Yeah.
can't get the lid back on that. I'll have to do it with two hands.
Mhm.
Okay. And these are pumpkin blanks for
So,
the pumpkins, the pumpkin
yeah.
party.
Yeah, because if you've ever needle felted a pumpkin, first you usually what you have to do is you have to make the ball, which takes a really long time, and then you start decorating it with the colored wool. You use the white core wool first. So, with the pumpkin blanks, it makes it so easy. You just start with the fun part and take the
Yeah.
colors and do all the neat decorating part of it, and it's really nice to just jump to that.
And this one you have to shape the pumpkins yourself. It
Oh,
comes
you do? Oh, okay.
in the little one, it does not have a blank in it.
Oh, I didn't
It
realize
says
that. Oh, good. Okay.
yeah, so if you want to shape your own and make different sizes, it comes with the stems already.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. So if you want to learn how to do it all the way from scratch, then the mini kit will do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
But it looks like it's going to make tiny ones because
Yeah. They'll be pretty small because
it's not, I mean, that feels about like as much wool as in one of the pumpkin blanks.
mhm. Oh,
So
but that one comes with the really nice wool pad, doesn't
it
it?
does come with the mat,
Oh, the wool mat's
the
included,
wool
not a,
mat.
oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
And then
that's
again,
really nice.
the instructions, and so the instructions have a video. You can type the video into YouTube, and then each picture has a different, I'm sorry, I'm trying to, the number so you can follow along with the
Oh, it
pictures.
tells you what time to go to if you want to
Yes,
see a
yes.
particular. Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
these are really, really nice kits.
they
Yeah.
are.
I'm so glad we're doing this on Zoom because I didn't know. I often don't know because I'm not there anymore to be like to look at it myself. So
Oh, so this one is a color box. I love this.
I
Love it.
know, isn't
It's a
it
nice
great?
palette. This is a
Danny
nice.
Ives is a needle felting artist, and yeah, so she did this for put together this palette. Look at that. Oh, look at all those earth
It's
tones.
nice. Yeah, that's nice.
So we've got a few of those. I'm so excited. Good stuff.
Um,
Let's see.
I think these are the same.
Yeah, I think they are. Yeah, I think those are all the same.
And then this one is the evergreen trees.
Yeah, because we sold
This
out of
is,
that already.
yeah, we did, and it's so pretty.
It really is. Actually, we sold out because one of them's on its way to me. I can't wait to make it.
So, and these are nice too. I looked into this lady, and she was a Waldorf teacher
Oh,
or
wow.
Montessori. It was one of the two. So they
Hmm.
use natural. I'm pretty sure it was Waldorf,
Hmm.
natural fibers, and making children, not making them, but getting them to be in nature and use the things of nature. So this
Hmm.
has real wood
That's what I
trunks.
thought was so cool about that kit, that it's actually got like little wood trunks too.
This is a nice wood.
Yeah, that just
It's
looks like
pretty.
such an. I can't wait to get it.
There's your snow,
Mm.
and then the core wool for your trees. Oh, pretty. I can't wait. I'm gonna make one of the pumpkins this week.
Oh, you're gonna have to make one of the trees too.
Yeah, I'll probably have to do one of the trees too.
We're gonna have to order more trees.
We're gonna order more trees. Okay, and then this is another mini pumpkin kit. And then this one looks like a jack-o'-lantern. Pumpkin
Pumpkin friend.
friends. Pumpkin friends. Oh my gosh, they have faces.
Okay, so that one comes with the
Yes, this
ball.
is the
Yeah.
the blank. And
Yeah.
they're if you've ever used a dryer ball, it's about that size, but it's squishy. Dryer balls are a little harder.
Yeah.
So you
Oh.
can sculpt this one a little bit.
Yeah, so you can tie like embroidery thread around it to make like like the seams of the pumpkin or the those little grooves that pumpkins have.
Yeah. And this one comes with the nice wool mat
Yeah, that's
too. So
good.
you get to make, there's enough to make three pumpkin friends.
Yes. And you still have a mat for your next
And
project.
then, yep, and you have a mat for your next project. So you can order all the palettes and all the colors and make a slew of pumpkins.
Give them to all your friends.
Yeah. And so the pumpkin party box, I don't have it in here, but it has 9 pumpkin blanks and 9 individual colors. And then the needles, I think 9. The needles are all the same. Thank you, Karen. So here's the pumpkin party. We also have an ornament party.
Oh yeah, yeah, for Christmas
So,
ornaments.
yes. So it comes with 9 pumpkin blanks. And then this is the wool that they're is roving. So they're using this to make the ridges on the pumpkins.
Oh, okay.
And then here's the ornament party.
Okay. So we're actually going to have Emily's actually going to be hosting a pumpkin party where everybody gets to make a pumpkin.
Yes. So you'll get to pick a color. First come, first serve. So sign up fast.
Well, and then maybe you can like swap with if you want to blend
Well,
colors,
yeah,
you
you
can,
could do that too. You
yeah,
could
you
you could
can
do that.
swap with, negotiate with your neighbors.
Yeah. So then this is for the ridges, which is a really pretty color.
Hmm.
And then each of these for a pumpkin
Yay.
and a white one, nine. And then nine pumpkin stems and then the needles.
Hmm. Well, fun, fun.
Exciting.
Okay. Oh, I'm so glad I got to see all this. Thank
Yeah, me
you.
too.
Okay, so come on into the
Um,
store
yes. Or you can
or
shop online or
it's
give
all
us a
online.
call.
Yeah, we'll be checking it in soon. It'll be available on some of this stuff is already up there, but it'll be
Yeah.
available online by the end of the day.
Yep. So
So,
probably by the time y'all are seeing this, it will be.
yes. Yeah, because we're pre-recording. Okay.
Yeah. It will be. Trying to turn my camera around. It will be up on the website. Sorry, I have a crack on my screen case. So the light's kind of hitting weird. Um, what else, Carla?
I think that's it. I'm trying to find the recording button. Okay, I found it where we can stop recording. Okay. All right, let's say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for joining us. Bye.